Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. Welcome to a new episode of the series of how to become fluent. Today, inshallah, we will learn how to recognize the sound of the letter N in the Quran and the Arabic language, and how to distinguish their proper and true form. If I ask you a question, what is the sound of this letter? Can you answer me? Of course, teacher. This letter is an alif with fatha, followed by a silent noon. Your answer is correct. But the question remains, is this the only answer to this question? In fact, this sound also exists in the Tanween, the alif when it has fatha and Tanween on it. So the question here, what is the difference between the silent noon and the Tanween? Actually, there are three main differences between the letter in Nun Sakinah and the mark of Tanween. These differences revolve around the nature of the letter and the nature of the mark. So my friends, let us together explore the distinctions between these two sounds. The first difference, Nun Sakinah is an original letter that belongs to the root structure of the word. Therefore, I cannot delete it, nor can I replace it. This letter represents an essential pillar in the structure of the word, and it cannot be dispensed with any form or under any circumstance concerning the word in a sentence. On the other hand, Tanween is a just mark, and when I say mark, I mean a sign, just like al-fatha or al-kasra or al-dhamma. I also want to point out that this mark may sometimes appear on the letter, and other times it may not. It is a mark that may slightly change the meaning, but the meaning will not collapse or disappear entirely. The difference number two, Nun Sakinah can be found in any type of word, in nouns, in verbs, and in letters. But my friends, Tanween as a mark occurs only in nouns. You cannot find a Tanween in verbs or in letters, of course. The difference number three, Nun Sakinah being an original letter can appear in any position within the word. Of course, not at the very beginning or not at the first letter, because it is still second or consonant letter. But it can be the second, third, fourth, or even fifth letter. But Tanween, friends, however, may use only at the end of the word. Like that, brothers and sisters, we finished our lecture today, hoping that was informative and interesting for you to take as a reference to learn, hoping that we'll meet again soon, inshallah. Subhanakallah wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum.